What's up, guys? So today we're going to play more Titanfall, obviously. Okay, and so today we're going to be well, first we're just going to check out my squads. Okay, so let's see. Ooh, I have a level 6 Smoke Strider. Okay, we can't really upgrade anything. I mean, you can, I just don't want to. I'm gonna save my monies. But I don't think it'll hurt. Right? Okay. Turn. Okay, so now Atlas is level 6. Grunts. Grunts. Gonna do my grunt captain. Hold up. I just got this. Yeah, we're gonna get him up to at least level 5. I did not notice that he was only level 1. Oh, shoot. I can't level him up anymore? Oh, I don't have any things for him. Darn. So then let's upgrade this arc boomer. Let's upgrade arc fall. We love our arc fall. And then let's upgrade these grunts. Rocket grunts. And there we go. Actually, I want to do a test. Rocket grunts compared to normal grunts. Yeah. They are better. You know what? I have a really good idea. Let's do a video where we use only grunts and see what happens. Just gonna do a casual. Do this. Only grunts. Can they win? What do you think? I don't think so. But maybe. I mean, you might think so. I don't know. But probably not. Comment. Tell me what you think. I don't think so. I don't think that they will, but I mean, maybe might. If like the person I'm playing is really trash, then maybe. Don't know. So we'll go ahead and start off. The good thing is that grunts can take control of bases. Actually, we'll use grunts and missiles. How about that? Grunts and missiles. Crap. Okay. Apparently. Hopefully we always have grunts on hand. But there are no guarantees. so we don't have any grunts. What? Forget it. These are the only two I'm going to use the entire game that aren't grunts. Just because I don't have any grunts on. Oh, shoot. Only 3, sorry. I still don't have any grunts. What the heck? Actually, okay. Oh my gosh. No stinking grunts. Okay, guys. I'm sorry. I can follow through this. Apparently we do. Oh my gosh, still. Finally, thank you. Finally have some grunts. Oh gosh. No grunts! Okay guys, next video we're gonna make a different thing, or next battle I guess. This video isn't only gonna be one battle. Kinda dumb. Okay. Oh my gosh guys. I win this though. If I was only using grunts, I wouldn't have won. So I won, but not truthfully using all grunts. So this time, I'm going to get rid of everything that's not a grunt in my deck. Just get rid of it. Okay. So, squads. I get on my 3rd squad. Edit. Hang it. Oh, I didn't even know I have a mine. Okay, so I can only use burn cards. Only burn cards. And there are no missiles in there. Okay, only burn cards. Let's see, squad 3, and let's play. Okay. Only burn cards. Alright, only burn cards. So even if I have no burn cards on hand, I will then just basically forfeit. But I probably will have burn cards all the time. Okay, so Oh, and I also need to ask you guys a question. Comment below, but like, do you guys want me to do a live video? Okay, let's get this out there. These on here. Shoot. Some tree, nope. Okay, guys, this is not starting off good. Darn it. Well, no burn cards. Only Titans. But I have to follow through. Even though my supply increased. Doesn't matter. Darn it. Oh well. Maybe next time. Let's see what these guys do though. So they won. Well, I thought we could get it. I mean, like, I kind of knew that we wouldn't win, but like, still, I never thought that we wouldn't have any like burn cards left. But we don't. It makes me mad. Okay. So let's. If you guys didn't see, I got into a guild. It's